Hi, I'm Samantha. Welcome to the Art of Being Fabulous. Today I'm going to talk about apple cider vinegar as a toner. I've been using it for a few months now and I find it to be a fabulous toner. Toner is good for many things. It's good to help set your moisturizer as well as your eye cream. I've been told by many estheticians. I'm not sure if it's 100% true, but I've been doing it ever since, just in case it's true. Also, it gets rid of the excess dirt and makeup that your cleanser doesn't get rid of. So I use a toner every single day, morning and night. I wash my face first and then I use the toner. And the beauty of apple cider vinegar is it actually works for different skin types. It's just how you mix it. So for example, I've got sensitive skin as well as dehydrated dry skin, and I break out in acne sometimes, the trifecta. So I've got a little bit of a delicate balance going, but I usually tend to stick to the one for dehydrated skin. Which if I actually just drank more water, I probably could fix my problem. So, I'm working on that piece as well. So basically what you want to do is take any organic apple cider vinegar and water. Those are your two ingredients. And depending on your skin type, you would mix different parts. So for example, for normal skin or dry skin, you would mix 2 parts water to 1 part apple cider vinegar. So for example, in 4 tablespoons of water, which is also a quarter of a cup, you would use then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then you would mix it together, which I've pre-done so that you don't have to listen to me talk as much. And then morning and night, again, you would just then take it, put it on your pad, and then dab it on your face. Now, normally your face, again, would be clean, but I had vowed in my last video never, ever, ever to do a video without makeup again. So I put makeup on already and have used my toner and stuff, but my neck has nothing on it. So I can put it here and you would just wipe it down after you've washed your face and neck. And it gets rid of extra dirt and whatever's left behind from your skin cream. Now, if you've got oily skin, you would do it equal parts. So you would have 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and mix that together and do the same thing. Now, if you've got sensitive skin, you need more water to apple cider vinegar. So you would use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for 2 tablespoons of water. And again, if you want to make more, you can make more, but just those are the portions. I'll have the portions down in the instructions as well as on the blog and post. So you don't have to listen to my voice again to go over the one that you might need to use for yourself. Now for acne, what you want to do is you take the spot where you have acne. I broke out this morning, luckily, so I can actually do this. My skin was nice and clear this morning until I showered for some reason. But you would actually just directly pour it onto your pad and dab it right on the spot that you have it. And you want to do that morning and night as well. And the more frequently you use this, it actually can not just get rid of your acne, but it also helps get rid of the blemishes and scars left behind from acne. And it took me a few months, but I was able to actually get rid of that, which is why I can wear less makeup now. So those are really just the basics. And what you want to do first before you ever put this on your face is to do a patch test on your wrist. Just dab some on there at night and for 24 hours and see if you have an allergic reaction. Because the last thing you want to do is put this on your face when you have a reaction to it. So that's just it for the basics of apple cider vinegar as a toner. You can use this for so many things: salad dressing, cooking, your face. You buy a tub of it for $5, $6, $7, and this can last you forever. And I find it just as good, if not better, than store-bought products, ones I've spent lots of money on and ones I haven't. So that's it for me today. I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you soon.